Hello. So, as a quick recap, mm, we were positioned long here, and what happened is as soon as the 4-hour candle closed bearish, we absolutely raped it, and we were in longs, but yeah, I took some profits here and added here, and then closed half here, and then added again, and then my position was up here and it got stopped out, and I missed all of that, but I cashed $50, which is great. And then after all of this, I re-entered and took my profits here for another 50, and it looks like this, my trades. So we were down from 556 to 471, and then we came out on top with 10, 11 bucks profit. So now I'm not looking for longs anymore up here. This, I consider it done. We might actually go higher, but this is just too risky. What I saw is this pump and then dump created a little range here, so I would love to see the price go down here, take out the range low and pump again. And I've got a limit order here with like half size, half of my position, $300. And if we have to, I'll be adding the other 300 right here. But it will be nice long from here, I think. This is a nice range. Go 1, 2, 3, little wedge. I'm expecting this to be taken. These equal lows to be taken. We have make a nice sweep, and hopefully we're not gonna go all the way down here. I mean, you have to let me mark this as well as a significant high right here. So we broke it and back tested it. So we might actually come back to this guy right here instead. I'm not gonna look for any longs right here, that's for sure, because look what happens. I mean, we didn't quite finish this. We still have one more. We still have this gap here. So I'm thinking it's gonna pump, take it out properly, and then dump. But I'm not gonna try to scalp it. I entered my ton coin. I bought some ton right here. Probably is gonna dump in it. I'm just gonna forget about it. It's a nice level, 1.6. It's a good price. It's a nice price. Look what they're doing. Look what they are doing. Bitcoin looks terrible. Looks like I don't like this oscillator. Yeah, we should go till here, right? take out all of this action from the morning, overnight, and but I don't care. It's a spot position, so it's better to be from here than watch the price punch the highs again without me. So yeah, so that's a quick recap. We are up on the day, which is the most important thing. And if this thing wants to dump, I'll be catching knives right about here. And beat is just crazy. Look at this chart. I mean, when is this going to range? When is this going to range? Is this going to be like big old rock pool? Seems like it's positioning itself to get a rock pool, something like the H coin, which was also only pumping, and then this 90% dump. Was it 90%? 93%. I didn't want to touch it, but look, they're already making hundreds of percents. Boom, almost 300%. So, I mean, it's just crazy instrument. Where's lab? Why do I have to find it when it's just right at resistance? I would have longed it for a nice little 1% scalp, but it's just too high now, and it's too risky to short. It can pump 1000%. Forget about it. So yeah, just waiting for velvet. I like how it's moving. I like that with $100 you can actually make good profit without leverage. So I just needed to give me some big old dump, and then we can long it for 20% or 40%. Damn, even 50%. Oh my god. Let's do some TA on this. Biatch. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So we hit the value area high, that's why we dumped. But it just prints money for everybody, for sure, for bears, for bulls. I love it. It's quite risky to long up here, but no leverage, baby. Ho, 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 ho. I find it so frustrating to trade and stream. As soon as I closed the stream, the trade started working, you know, so I closed it around here, I think, and then bang, the show started. If I didn't fuck with it, it would have gone straight to my TP, which was up here, man. But I had to take profits and add to it, take profits, add to it, and then get stopped out because my position was too close to the sun. So yeah, somebody said just set it and forget it, you know, walk away. It's either your stop loss or take profit, you know, don't look at it even. But then if my TP was here, I think it was somewhere a little bit above it. I think it was around these highs, these wicks, projecting that we're gonna get a fill of this gap here. It wouldn't quite catch it, but then it wouldn't catch my stop loss. My position was around here, I think. But we're getting there now, I hope. All right. That was a quick recap, and let's see what's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna close this spot position. I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, it did change the market structure. We have something growing to the side of it. There's a downtrend. So instead of going lower, we did this. So we might get a nice flush, one last flush. But yeah, the real target is here. Oh, fuck it. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you later.